Senator Joel Villanueva may pahayag na regarding sa impeachment ni VP Sara. Ito po may ambos interview po yung mga ibang media tungkol nga po sa kung ano po ang gagawin ngayon ng Senado na ito'y na-impeach na nga sa mababang kapulungan si VP Sara Duterte. Ate pong pakinggan si Senator Joel Villanueva.
Pwede siyang gawin even during the break.
It has to be decided upon plenary action yan. You can paikot or discuss about it among yourselves and then promulgate it into plenary. Guys, even the referral takes plenary action, okay? I'm sure you guys are aware of that.
So, ibig sabihin, you will not be able to act on it kung naka-adjourn kayo. Kailangan,
Walang plenary. Walang plenary, so yeah.
So, walang plenary, so hindi ka ma-action adjourn kung isang
The rules?
na naka-adjourn na kayo.
The rules or whatever it is again, there has to be a plenary action, okay?
So kung hindi ma-action sa plenary, hindi pwede ma-action, hindi makakapag-impeach ngayon. Possible yun.
Lahat ng gagawin namin, even the declaration of the senators sitting as an impeachment court, kailangan ng plenary action.
Pero sir, some scholars were saying na kahit naka-adjourn ng Senado, kayo as ang role nyo bilang senador, pero when it comes to impeachment, may special role kayong ginagawa. Kahit naka-adjourn, you can continue.
Nasa constitution ho, tama.
Yeah.
Pero again, it is the plenary action that would give us the go signal na we can, parang di ba pagka nagbe-break tayo, kahit committee hearings lang, kailangan banggitin mo doon sa plenaryo na ito ay ino-authorize ng bawat member
So
ng
pwede mo
Senado.
tumigil sa susunod na sila.
Yeah.
Is that what you mean? Kung halimbawa matapos
All things being, again, it's so hard for me to speak on just ito, anticipation na po pwede mangyari, etc.
Pasensya mamaya na mag-hirap mag-reconvene kayo after nang i-reconvene kayo. Kailangan may mag-move na mag-reconvene kayo.
If it is filed and it is in the reference of business na sa agenda, automatic naman yun, di ba, na babasahin. So, automatic din yun na i-refer. Di ba? And then if it is referred to a particular committee, the committee chair would act. It is rules, or committee of justice, etc. You know? And there will be a motion. Siyempre, na, pero yan ang haba ng, tignan nyo ha, kung magmo-motion, kunyari si RG na i-convene kami as a court, pwede kong tanongin, RG, meron na ba tayo rules? How do you decide on quorum? Meron ba? May nakata eh. Pagka disposition of motions, yung mga yan. We have to talk about it, di ba? Again, ang hirap na anticipate na meron tayong schedule today, may agenda tayo today, may mga ipapasa kami third reading
mahaba
today.
yung agenda dito, sir.
Yung third reading, madami.
In short, survive today.
Hindi ko masasabi yan, I'm not the entire Senate. Assessment. Kaya kami dito, ayaw namin yung sirain yung pag-iisip namin sa aming focus ngayon kung ano yung nasa agenda namin, and we are not going to anticipate anything na baka bumagsak ang buwan mamaya or mabiyak yung lupa at saan tayo pupunta sa evacuation center. Alam naman namin yung gagawin, na alam namin may evacuation center pag nangyari yun. Pero hindi namin pagtutuunan ng pansin na kailangan, siguruhin ko na air condition yung tutulugan ko sa evacuation center o walang lamok. Hindi yun ang scenario ngayon.
Sir, dahil ba wala sa agenda, it means hindi posible. Dahil po wala sa agenda, that means hindi siya masasabi o matatransmit sa session mamaya. Kung pwede nyo ipasok.
Sometimes kahit wala sa agenda, if you recall, the majority there will say, the motion, the guy who's with the permission of the body, etc. Kasi wala nga. Because at any point in time, pag may tinakal ka sa floor, di ba, na wala sa agenda, you can raise a point of order anytime.
Pero sir, diba technically, pwede kayo mag-session hanggang Friday?
Technically, yeah, if we don't adjourn, but siguro ang question ko din, bakit ba ngayon, how long did it take in the house ba? If, again, anticipating, hindi ko alam. Kaya ang hirap mag-comment, ang hirap puro anticipate mo kung ganito. Kaya mahirap eh. So, yeah, better kung nandyan na, mas marami tayong siguro masasabi kung nandyan na or ano pa yung... lahat possible eh. Lahat subject to be questioned by anybody, any sector of the society. The scholars were saying, binabanggit kanina ni Ma'am, pwede kayong convene as an impeachment court during the break. Merong pwede, merong hindi. Bakit sabihin hindi? I can give you all the arguments, both sides. I can talk about it. But again, it's useless for me to say this. And it's very hard. You have to understand, on my part, I'll be sitting as a judge. I cannot make any comment na pabor o hindi pabor sa kanino mang kampo.
Sir, offhand lang, just in case lang naman matuloy yung transcript, can you walk us through kahit konti lang?
Just in case matuloy. Anticipating kung matuloy yung hindi ko alam kung matutuloy nga.
Yes, sir. But, isang una yung gagawin, sir, ay dapat ma-plansya muna yung rules.
Ang unang gagawin, pag-uusapan kung isasama to sa reference of business, I think that's the first step. Di ba?
Pero sir, ano po general sentiments ng...
I cannot speak for my colleagues. And again, if it is impeachment, as much as possible, we don't want to talk about it.
Pero sir,
Especially anticipating whatever scenarios, no?
You can only convene the impeachment court if ma-refer nyo mamaya sa... ma-refer sa session, sir. Sa plenary. So, sabi yung plenary action, sir.
Sige na, pagbibigyan mo kayo, ha? Pinail, tinala. Nasa agenda ba ngayon? Wala. Ilalagay ba sa reference of business o hindi? Pag nalagay sa reference of business, analysis, babasahin ba? Pag binansa ba, saan dadalhin? Ni-refer ba? Saan ni-refer? Di ba ganun yung process? Process. Parang kaya niya ako tinatanong dahil PhD na ako sa impeachment when I was in the House. Process, iba-iba yun. Iba yung sa House, iba yung rules ng House, iba yung sa Senate, di ba? And when you look at the rules in the Senate, napakagandang topic yan. Kasi masalin mo dyan, mahaba yan, iba yan. You're sitting as an impeachment court if ever it is going to happen, di ba? So, mahaba yan. Tinitignan ko kanina yung rules. Parang form lang yung nandun, ha? Walang laman whatsoever. Remember nung time ni Senator Pimentel, di ba sinabi niya? Nag-hearing tayo dito sa impeachment court. Hindi pa pala kompleto itong rules natin, ang daming kulang.
Pero hindi ba magiging guide yung naging experience nyo in the corona trial?
It's some sort of a guide, precedents, etc. But again, mahirap mag-isip ng ganyan kung hindi naman natin parang pinangungunahan natin yung events na possible na mangyari. Ang sinasabi ko lang is that itong mga nakaraan and in history, even the rules ng impeachment, kailangan balang kasi ng mabuti.
So, sir, kailangan ika-craft pa yung rules specific for
Did
these
you see the rules? Masyadong general.
So, pero ibig sabihin kailangan ng bagong rules kasi sa nakaraan yung presidente at saka
Justice.
So, this time, vice president. So, kailangan ng bagong rules.
Again, pangunahan natin ang Senado pagka nagsalita ako. Siguro, kung gusto nyo, i-off the record nyo kasi parang ayokong pangunahan ng mga kasama natin. Ang point ko lang is, na kasya ang 1,000 kalabaw dun sa rules of impeachment right now. That's my comment.
Pero sa nakaraan,
Well, hindi natin po pwedeng pangunahan kung ano man ang mangyayari at hindi tayo sinostradamus at hindi rin ako naniniwala sa hulaan. So, tayo bilang party ng Senado, we're just ready to do our part and perform our duties and responsibilities. Yan yung sinumpahan naming tungkulin bilang mga senador ng Republika ng Pilipinas. So, whatever it is, ano man ang kailangan namin gawin bilang representatives of the people, senators of the people, yun ang gagawin namin.
once matransmit, wala
I
magagawa.
cannot make a statement or anything because that's already thinking na may magta-transmit di ba? Hindi natin pwedeng, not even to anticipate na may magkano. Dapat alam mo yun, when you took your oath as a member of the Senate, alam mo yun, that if ever this happens, you will be sitting as a member of the jury. You will be part of the impeachment court. Alam mo yun. So, it's just there.
Sir,
Nothing special today or anything. As a senator, when you wake up in the morning, when you do your job every single day, alam mo yun, ng parte ng trabaho mo yun. If it comes, it will come.
Sir, kahit naka-adjourn, pwede kayo mag-hear.
Mahirap again na isipin na mayroong mangyayaring ganyan, no? Mahirap. But again, as I mentioned earlier, we're ready, we're prepared. Kung ano man yung hinihingi sa amin ng aming tungkulin bilang mga member ng Senado.
Dennis,